how to make your own cryptocurrency for less than $2. Previously, I made a video on how to make a cryptocurrency or how to make a scam coin, and the cost was very high. Now, I do know you can deploy your own code. It sounds more complicated, but I provided that resource to people who wanted to make a scam coin. Now, if you legitimately want to make a token, it will cost you less than $2, and you don't need to know that much about programming. I have no programming background. I just watched a few tutorials, copy and pasted, launched my own token. Super easy to do, and I'm going to show you how to do that too. So today we'll be making a coin on Binance Smart Chain. Now, if we did the same thing on Ethereum, the cost would be a little bit more, but it would cost less than $50 to launch your own ERC20 token. We're going to be doing Binance Smart Chain because I'm very cheap and it makes it a lot easier to move coins around. And yeah, that's basically it. I'm cheap. And here's a bunch of time codes to save you some time. This is not a completely original video. I had help from other YouTube videos, so I would recommend checking out the video description because I have links to those. How to create a token on Binance Smart Chain. Part 1, you're going to need BNB. You're going to need BNB token on the BEP20 network. Now, BNB runs on two networks, BEP2 and BEP20. BEP20 allows you to run smart contracts. BEP2 allows you to transfer coins on the Binance exchange. So if you're on Binance US, you're on BEP2. If you are on Binance.com, you have access to BEP20 and BEP2. If you are getting the token from Binance.com, so from Binance.com, you're going to need to buy some BNB. You just go to the BNB section. You're going to be doing spot trading. Spot trading just means you are trading assets, USDT or any other coin for BNB. So just go here, go to this super confusing window if it's the first time you've seen it, and buy some BNB. I have other tutorials for Coinbase Pro or Binance US, and all the trading platforms are pretty much the same. I have $544 of BUSD, and I'm going to buy some BNB. So let's put in a market order since there is a lot of liquidity. I'm going to buy $100 worth of BNB. So you just put that there, hit buy BNB, and the order has been filled. I'm going to go to my wallet, fiat and spot, track down BNB, withdraw, and then input my BEP20 address here. I highly recommend getting Trust Wallet. So if you go to the Binance window here, these 9 squares, you're going to see Trust Wallet and download Trust Wallet. So I recommend going directly to trustwallet.com because from the website you can access a link directly to the app stores and download it there. Now, some app stores might have clones or malicious software that tries to imitate what Trust Wallet is, so be very careful of that. After you have downloaded Trust Wallet, get a Binance Smart Chain address. Not your BNB address, your Binance Smart Chain address. A Binance Smart Chain address starts with 0x. So for me, I have my address book. So for me, I have MetaMask set up right now, and I'm going to copy my Binance Smart Chain address. You can also set one up with MetaMask as well. And that's something we're going to be doing right after this. So get your address, paste it in there. That's a 0x address, that's a BEP20, and then you withdraw that to your wallet. See, and then if we click down here, you're gonna see BEP20 or BEP2. If you're on Binance US, it's BEP2. So if you only have access to Binance US to get your BNB, not a problem. Go into Binance US, buy some BNB, withdraw that BNB to your Trust Wallet. You're going to withdraw it to your BNB address. So if you hit receive, you're going to see your address starting with BNB. Now, once you have BNB in your account, you'll have this option to swap. So in the BNB field, just hit the 3 dots at the right, and then you can hit swap to Smart Chain. This allows you to freely convert between Binance Smart Chain, BEP20, and BNB, which is on BEP2. Sounds confusing, but if you mess up, it's very easy to switch between both versions of BNB using Trust Wallet. Additionally, if you want to buy BNB, you just go to CoinMarketCap, go to the markets page, and then check out all the available exchanges. So Binance, Binance US, FTX, KuCoin, Gate.io, Bithumb, Poloniex, and it just keeps going. And now we have BNB in our MetaMask wallet. If you don't have MetaMask, you're gonna need it. Getting MetaMask. MetaMask is a browser extension that you can use to connect your wallet to online applications or decentralized apps, dApps. So just look for MetaMask. The official website is MetaMask.io. Look out for clones. Be very careful when connecting your wallet here because this site is subject to a lot of attacks. It doesn't mean they're always attacked, but a lot of people want to take over this site because people connect their wallets through MetaMask. It's a very popular application. So go to MetaMask, download now, and then you'll be able to set it up. I'm going to uninstall MetaMask and start the process at the beginning so we can walk through it together. And it's a slight inconvenience. So if you can help me out by hitting that like button, that helps me out, and I'll feel better about having to reinstall this and setting up my account. All right, so here we go. Remove from Chrome, and it's gone. So if you remove your Chrome extension, it is going to lose all your wallet information. And now that we're on MetaMask, we're going to install it. MetaMask for Chrome, install MetaMask for Chrome. Add to Chrome, add extension. And welcome to MetaMask. Let's get started. So if you don't already have a seed phrase, you can create one, which gives you a new wallet. I already have an existing wallet, so I'm going to select import wallet. Otherwise, you would hit create a wallet here. Import wallets, help us improve. No, thank you. And I'm going to input my seed phrase here. That's my seed phrase. It's copied and pasted. This is just for a test account. I really don't recommend keeping any of your information easily online, especially if you can copy and paste it. It's very dangerous. This is just a for fun account so we can play around with MetaMask. Now you should also create a password just so you don't have free access to this wallet. If any malicious software gets on your machine, they can take your funds through MetaMask. And we're all done. So here it is. It shows my account balance. I have 0 ETH in this account. That's correct. That is my address, and it is the same address for Binance Smart Chain. Now, by default, Binance Smart Chain is not available as a network here, so we're going to have to add it. I always forget the exact details, but Binance Academy has that information. So from here, we just have to get the special configuration information, and that is right here. It's really easy if you have the Chrome extension button for MetaMask up here. I don't, so all you have to do, if you have Chrome, you select this button, and then you pin it. So once you pin it, you're going to have it available here. Next up, select that little fox icon. Stay secure. These are great tips. I'm going to ignore it. And then you select this dropdown from Ethereum mainnet, this down arrow at the right, custom RPC. And network name, just type that in. It can actually be anything. It could be Smart Chain, Binance Smart Chain. It's just going to be displayed on your end. Then you're going to want to copy this right here. So whenever you click out of the browser extension, you're going to lose this window and anything you've written in it. So I'm just going to copy and paste from a notepad window. And then we want the URL, just going to copy and paste that in here. Already have the information anyway, chain ID 56, symbol, BNB, and then the Block Explorer URL. This just gives you a quick link to click whenever something happens so you can view it on BSC scan. Hit save. So now that we've added it, we just get out of here, we go back. We can close this out and you can see that my Binance Smart Chain account information is appearing now. So it's still the same address ending in EE71 and I have 0.18 BNB. Now that we have our BNB ready, we can start the process of launching our token and we're going to need the code. how to create your own token. So Julian at Eat the Blocks, his channel is really good, and he walks you through the exact steps you need to take to create your own token. I am pretty much copying him, but just making it a lot faster and making it more relevant to probably what you're going to do with it. So let's do that. Here is the GitHub page for his contract information. This is the basic contract you can use, or basic token source code that you can use to create your Binance Smart Chain token. So we're going to copy everything in the code here from beginning to end. That is 44 lines. Then we go to remix.ethereum.org. Links for everything will be in the description. We're going to decline that. This is the default workspace. You select contracts, and then you create a new file. So you select that. It's up here, new file, and then you can name it whatever you want, just to keep things clean. Token.sol. .sol means Solidity, because you are programming something in Solidity. And this is what you have to do. There are only 3 lines you really need to mess with. The coin supply, right now it's defaulted to 10,000 tokens. 100,000, 1 million. We're going to make 1 million tokens. And now we can change the token name. It can be whatever you like. Let's call it DanFans. Yeah. If you want some DanFans, let me know in the comments, and I can give these away. I'll try to figure out how to do that without having to pay too much gas on my side. And we'll call it DFS as the symbol. And that's all the coding you need to do. That's it. Now you just have to compile it. That's the second step here. You select the compiler. Make sure the version of Solidity is the same as the compiler. This code uses 0.8.2. And from here, we select 0.8.2. And now we compile the token. We're going to get 2 warnings. Just 2 warnings. That's okay. We can still run this code. Now we go to deploy, and we change the environment to injected Web3. That's going to open up MetaMask, and we'll be able to launch our token onto the Binance Smart Chain network. Now you can do all of this for free on the testnet, but we're doing it live. We're doing this live so you can see the issues you'd probably expect in a live environment. So I'm ready, and I'm going to hit deploy. This brings up Binance Smart Chain, and it's going to cost me 0.004 BNB to launch this token. BNB is trading about $350. It's going to cost me $1.50 to create my own cryptocurrency. Confirm. Creation of token pending. And it's made. So it won't be completely available yet. I kind of just had this issue here. We're going to go back into MetaMask. The amount I have is less than earlier. I messed up a few times. Just a heads up. So that's why I learned how to fix things. So I'm going to copy my address to the clipboard. Do not lose any of this information yet because you still need it. So this shows up after you deploy your contract. Hit the drop down there. And then we're going to transfer tokens into our own wallet. It could be pretty much any amount. We're going to paste our address. Pretty much the coins are just sitting out there and we have to claim them. And I put in my address, comma, space 1. It could be 1, 10, a million, whatever I want. I'm just going to put 1 just to get the ball rolling. So I'm going to hit transfer and then transact. It's going to bring up MetaMask, and there is another gas fee of 167, or another 50 cents, something like that, and hit confirm. So now we're going to go into BSC scan from the home page here, just so you see everything. I'm going to paste in my Binance Smart Chain address. Okay, it took like 1 minute, so that's not a crazy amount of time. I just had to refresh it a couple times. And then if we look here, I have my 1 million DanFans. So I just needed to interact with the contract to get the tokens into my wallet. With Binance Smart Chain, Everything is public knowledge, so if you're holding any other Binance Smart Chain tokens, it's going to appear in your token dropdown. So you can see here, I made only dance earlier and Ploop. I messed up on Ploop a few times, which is why I lost some tokens there. So yeah, I think those are just dead tokens. I'm not sure. There should be a way to claim it. Doesn't really matter. I don't need those Ploops. They have no value anyway. And now you have tokens. I now have 1 million Dan fans available in my Binance Smart Chain wallet. If this has been helpful so far, feel free to hit the like button. That helps me out. And if you are creating a token, I'm going to leave my Binance Smart Chain address in the description. And feel free to send me any of the tokens you make. I feel like we'll have an interesting collection in this wallet. So next steps, making it available, letting people trade this token. For Dan fans, I kind of want to give some away. So I don't know how to do that with an airdrop, because it would take a long time to manually send it to a lot of people, and I'd have to spend a lot of money on gas fees just because it all adds up. I'll figure that out in a future video for an airdrop. But for now, let's just make these coins completely available on PancakeSwap. Don't know why I said it that way, but yeah, we're going to PancakeSwap. So PancakeSwap.finance, this is probably the leading DeFi platform on Binance Smart Chain. We're going to connect our wallet. There's a different wallet connected here. I'm going to log out of that one. And then I'm going to connect via MetaMask. So yeah, pretty easy to use. Open up MetaMask, hit next, connect. And now my wallet is connected with PancakeSwap. So to make my coins publicly available, I go to trade, hit liquidity, and I'm going to provide liquidity to the market for my token. So the trading pair is going to be against BNB, and I'm going to select my currency. Going back to BSC scan, I'm going to select my token, Dan fans, and I'm going to copy the contract address. Next, I go back to PancakeSwap, select a currency, paste in my contract address, and select DFS. Yeah, stumbled there. And it says you are the first liquidity provider. The ratio of tokens you add will set the price of this pool. Once you are happy with the rate, click supply to review. So I'm going to add 1 million Dan fans. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3. 1 million Dan fans. Let me at least have, 999,999. So I'm going to add 999,999 Dan fans of liquidity into PancakeSwap. And I'm going to provide 0.01 BNB. PancakeSwap is kind of glitchy. I lost the connection to my wallet there. So I'm going to hit unlock wallet. Unlock wallet. MetaMask. Next. Connect. Alright, so it kind of glitched out there, but now I can add the max amount, and I only want to add in 0.01 BNB. So I'm pretty much providing all the tokens I have available. You don't really have to do that. You can put any amount. But if you want to buy all of the Dan fans, it's going to be very affordable. Maybe I'll make a better cryptocurrency in the future, but don't really need this one. So I'm going to approve this, and yeah, approve DFS. It's going to open up MetaMask and ask me if this is what I want to do. It's going to cost 8 cents to provide liquidity to this market. So pretty much I'm spending less than $10 in all, especially with setting up the token and the fees here, and becoming a liquidity provider. So I'm going to hit confirm, approving DFS, and then supply should light up. All right, just hit supply, create pool and supply. It's going to cost me a little bit more money to add the liquidity. It says add liquidity ETH. MetaMask was designed on Ethereum, and ETH is kind of the default word for gas. So it's really BNB since I'm on Binance Smart Chain. I'm going to approve this. Transaction submitted. Transaction pending. Let me hit close. And let's see, did it update? Success. We got a success there, that's good. This hasn't quite updated yet. Yes, so actually it did. So it says here LP tokens, liquidity provider tokens in your wallet, DFS BNB pair. I have pretty much all of them. And that's it. So let's say I wanted to buy my own token back. I would put in 0.12 BNB and it would get me way more tokens than are actually available. Like there isn't enough DFS. Like I could buy up all my tokens back. I'm not going to do that, but you probably get it. Make the token, provide liquidity, let the market decide how much value it has. So to recap, it takes $1.50 on Binance Smart Chain to launch your own token, and a couple more bucks if you want to make that coin tradable on PancakeSwap. The same thing goes for Bakery Swap. It works the exact same way. If you wanted to do the same thing on an ERC20 token, the process is the same. You would just need to be working in the Ethereum network on MetaMask instead of Binance Chain. Now, if this video has been helpful so far, I would appreciate it if you like the video. If you did happen to make your own coin, I'm going to leave my Binance Smart Chain address in the description, so feel free to send me some of your tokens, and I'd be interested to see what the full value audience is making. And with that, hope you got your full value for today.